Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin in Studio with the character and the accessory visible. This is essential. First, locate the accessory and confirm it has an attachment named Attachment 0. If not, add one at the logical pivot. Then add a matching attachment to the body part you want it to follow: head, torso, or hand. Do this because attachments define connection points, and matching names and relative positions let you control orientation precisely. Once these mounts exist, you're ready to link them. Next, you create the actual connection. Insert a weld constraint connecting the accessories part and the target body part. Alternatively, use a motor 6D if you need animated relative motion. Make sure part 0 is the accessory's base part and part 1 is the character part, because that determines which transforms apply. Then tweak the accessory attachment C-frame to move and rotate the item into place. Small increments stabilize alignment. Once positioned, test in play mode to confirm. To finish, run play and observe the accessory across animations. This verifies your weld works during movement. If the accessory jitters, try align position and align orientation for smoothing, or switch from weld constraint to motor 6D for animated joints. Make sure physics aren't fighting the weld. Also double-check there aren't duplicate attachments or other constraints on the same parts, because they conflict. If it still fails, test with a fresh accessory and a clean character to isolate the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.